Hey guys, how are you today? My name is Julie, nice to meet you and welcome to my channel. And so for today's video, I'm just gonna share you a short video on how to save your Starmaker video on your gallery. Is that right? Yeah, I've just figured it out last time because I wanted it to post on my YouTube, so I hope this helps. So anyways, just to make this video short, I'm just gonna show it to you now. So that's my Starmaker. Please follow it if you are a Starmaker user, and I will follow you back. Just mention it to me that you watched me on my YouTube channel. So yeah, I have some drafted songs here, there. I'm just gonna pick one, just for example. Let's say that Imagine, because it's a video. I think you could only save video ones, you know, the one that you're singing. So I'll pick that. Let's see, that's video. So I'm gonna post it like what we usually do. Just put hashtag in and another hashtag, and then put that, just like that, and then I'll put send, because it says there, you see YouTube. So you just have to click YouTube, and then it says there, just read that, just press OK, and then you'll see it says copied. So it will automatically transfer to your gallery photos. So let's press done, and then I'm going to my gallery. There you go, so that's done. So yes guys, that's my gallery. As you can see, that's the video that I've posted on my Starmaker. I'm just gonna click that, play it. So that's it. So you just, every time you want to save your videos, obviously the one that, you know, and the one that shows your face, not the one I think that's just recorded, needs to be a video really. So yeah, that's what you need to do. Just press YouTube, and then it will automatically download it to your gallery. If try it, and if it works, then thank me later. That's it for today guys. If that tutorial worked, please leave a comment down below, so then I know if it really works for you. And then also, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please click to that subscribe button and click that notification bell for more updated videos. And thank you guys for watching. I hope to hear from you soon.